Let's review how to use the Organize accordion on our Discover page. Select the Tools section, then the Discover page. Click on the Organize accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can click the plus icon to start. Enter the case/cause styling, case jurisdiction, and case/cause number. Continue by completing the dedicated comments fields, including audio recordings, background checks, business records, case law, criminal convictions, damages, documents, employment records, witnesses, interrogatories, journals and diaries, law enforcement, legal theories, medical records, investigations, school records, substance abuse, video recordings, and other relevant case information. Once done, click the Save icon. A data box appears that can be edited, downloaded, deleted, or securely shared while continuing to work within the Productivity Suite. This organized framework keeps critical case information readily accessible. And that's how you use the LawWiz Organize accordion.